I was sent this kit, so let's unbox it. It has a whole bunch of stuff inside, and I've never done poly gel nails before, but I'll go ahead and attempt it as well so we can see how well it works. Okay, so inside it says this makes a great gift, and it really does come with everything you would need. So you have your little instruction sheet. See up here, we have a bag here. So you're gonna get the rhinestone gel glue. We have all the gorgeous rhinestones. Ooh, I'm excited for that. Rubbing alcohol to clean your nails, using that to do your acrylic nails. You have your tool, everything's wrapped up, so super sanitary. Very good nail file. This is a strong one. More tools, some clips. This is double-sided, and a brush. A nail clipper, nice size nail clipper, and then this as well. That all just came in this bag, but there's more. Slip solution for poly gel nails. You're gonna get the foundation gel, glossy top gel, and the matte top gel. So 2 options for your top gels, plus you get a UV lamp. This is gonna be the cuticle oil. Look at that cute little pen for cuticle oil. And then 36 different colors. Wow. They say what the color is on the front, so that is a dark blue. There's brown. This one is a golden color. So super cool. And purple, shiny, shimmery. It just keeps going. There's 3 levels here of different colors. So pretty much every color imaginable is in this box. Okay, let's try it out. First thing I'm doing is applying the cuticle oil, and then I'm gonna use the rubbing alcohol to clean my nails. And then you file your nails, and it looks like you go from there. It smells really good. Rubbing alcohol, let's just clean them up. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1 nail to test, and these are really long for me. I am such a short nail person, so I'm not sure if I did it right, but I cut it down to the size I wanted it to be. So we'll try that. I filed the nail, so took this file and actually filed like the flat part of it too to get it prepped. So I'm gonna apply the foundation gel, and then I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. I'm going hot pink. Squeeze this onto the inner side, and again, I probably should not have cut it already, but that's okay. Ooh, it's really thick and sticky. Taking my brush, and I'm gonna dip it in the slip solution. Okay, ooh, that's not working. I don't think my method worked. Since I want to keep my nails short, I'm gonna try applying it directly. Let's see what happens. I have that on. Here's the slip stuff. My method worked. Definitely not the method to use, so don't follow how I do this. But now I'm gonna apply the top gel, and I'm gonna add some bling as well. And then you cure it for 120 seconds. One thing I like about the bling is that each one individually opens. So you don't have to risk like spilling it by accident. And then I'm using this tool to place them. And done with 1 hand, some bling even, and then I just did different colors because I wanted to see the different ones, and did some sparkles. This is really cool. It's definitely takes some time as a beginner. Again, first time I've ever done this. I could see when you get fast at this, you could do both hands super fast. But really fun and really cool, and it would make a great gift as well.